jump test. The Umizio is top speed is 335 to 440 kilometers per hour. Ay. This car is uncontrollable, very little, and it was 3 times faster than this Caldelio. Let me compare to the top speed later. Okay, today let's compare. Now let's jump test those guys and who is the highest. Oh no, not the bugs. I broke the game. No. No, please. I just broke the game a little. Because 15? Oh no, not the bugs.
Mababa. Plastic ba to o hindi ito mababasag?
Hindi yan babasag. Ibig sabihin plastic.
Yung plastic mababasag.
Hindi. Metal lang. O kaya glassy.
Try mo na. Try test mo. Try test mo. Usag!
Okay, my 6 years old sister